then, oh, I wonder if we can fix it. It survived the dishwasher. How about that? Now to hang it on the coffee cup holder. Oh, not that one. Let's see. What if we do this one? Ta-da! That was with Gorilla Glue. I didn't get it perfectly placed. I tried, but in the drying process, well, anyhow, there you go. We tried it, but it looks like Gorilla Glue is doing the job. Stay tuned for a follow-up because I will be using the cup. Let's see if it stands up to continuous use and holding it here by the handle.